Hi friends, let me show you this plunger and brush unit that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a practical unit because you can have both accessories nicely stored in your bathroom, okay? Okay, and the brush. Okay, as you can see, it's well, elegant. It's nice in your bathroom. It will look rather nice, and it's ready to use when you need it. Okay, like to clean your bathroom, to clean your toilet. Okay, or to unclog it. Okay, to plunge it if you need to use it. You can leave it there. So anyone who uses the toilet and has the need to plunge it can do it. Or whenever it's time to clean your toilet, you have the brush available, and you don't have to be. If you have one unit of this in every of your restrooms, you don't have to be bringing them with you in all your house. You can go to your restroom and use it and store it there. So it's really practical. Thank you.